Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to HR Repair. This is Hey Ray. Today we have a 2008 Ford F150. It has the 5.4 3-valve Triton motor, but that's inconsequential today because that's not what we're here for. We did do some more work to this thing. It had a misfire, it wouldn't stay running. The fuel pump needed to be replaced. This truck has been a fairly reliable truck for the customer until here just lately. So while it was here, getting a fuel pump and a spark plug replaced, because on these we don't take a chance and replace them all at one time, especially not when he wants to sell the truck, because when these spark plugs, if you get them out without breaking them, you're doing pretty good. So that's not what we're here for. What we're here for is because our automatic AC fan does not work. You start it up, let's just turn the key on. As you can see, the fan is requesting low and it blows high. We can try to adjust it. There's no adjustment. Here's the crazy thing: turn it off, the fan stays running. So I'm pretty sure it's probably our blower motor resistor, but let's go ahead and check the voltages and make sure that that's what it is. So I'm going to show you how to do that and we'll get that checked. So no more jabbing, let's get to it. Contact. Alright, so one of the first things you want to do before we do much of anything else is we'll find this blower motor resistor, which is right there, easy to get to. So passenger side, come down, and it's right there. As you know, our fan continues to run on high, so we want to check and make sure that it doesn't have a wire that's shorted somewhere. So let's go ahead and unplug this, and where fan motor quits running. So the other thing we want to do here is we want to check and make certain that the voltage will drop or change, and it's not going to be much because it's a real small voltage percentage. What in the world? Oh, I had it on Hertz. Okay, so the small wire here is what we're going to check for voltage. We should see, I mean, it's going to be less than 1 volt, but it's going to be this right here, and then we're going to check the ground right here. We know that we've got a good ground here, so we're just going to shove this in there. Now we're going to try to keep our light here so that we can see. So ground goes right here, okay, and right here. 0.074. Now we're going to try to change the blower motor speed, and we'll see that value go up and down. So as we can see, it goes down. So we know that our control head is working. So what we have is a bad blower motor. So let's get a new blower motor ordered, blower motor resistor ordered. First, we'll talk to the customer, make sure he wants to repair this. Then if he does, we'll get the new blower motor resistor here, get that switched out, and that should be good to go. It is basically a plug and play situation. I think it uses 2 bolts to hold it in. No, 1 bolt. Very easy. So see what the customer wants to do. All right, we got the old one out of here. Here's the new one, brought over by Napa, made in China. BR478 is going to be the number for this one. So everything looks the same. Basically, it's a easy in, easy out. Nothing hard about this one. This kind of just locks up in there, and you drop this down and pull it straight out. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So let's get this one switched out, see if it works. Hey Hoss, how are you? Yeah, yeah, whee. Good boy. Alright, so we got this thing installed. Now, let's, we got it plugged in. Tighten the screw to a wrist click torque. See if we have a variable speed fan now. And we do. Look at that! I can still fix something. Oh man, beginning to wonder some days. All right. Oh, the other thing we want to check, will it shut off when we ask it to shut off? I mean, we have variable speed, so why not? It should, but let's just double check. And it does. Perfect. Auto. There we go. All right. Well, that is working. So I thought you guys might enjoy this short little video on how to diagnose one of those, and maybe you're having that problem, and hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it was, let me know that in the comments down below. I always like to hear from you. I sure appreciate it. You all have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.